Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my first lesson of D2, chapter number 2, exercise 2F, that is about the application of simultaneous equations in real world. Before going to the lesson, it's really important to integrate the lesson with the previous lesson because for better understanding of mathematics, it's important to have the integration with the previous lessons. Let's move to the basic level, question number 1. As the questions are long, so I'll be reading the question from the book. Question 1 says, the sum of the two numbers is 138 and the difference is 88. Find the two numbers. Okay, it's important to read and underline important terms of the question. As the question says that sum of the two numbers, so we have to think about two numbers. Let the two numbers be x and y. Let the two numbers are x and y. Now, as the question says sum of the two numbers, then according to condition, what we have to do, we have to make two simultaneous equations. Sum of the two numbers, sum means that we have to add up the numbers. X plus y equals to 138, and the second statement says and the difference is 88. Difference means that x minus y equals to 88. These are the two equations that we are making from these two statements. Now, after making these two equations, what we have to do, we have to see that which method is suitable for the solution of this problem. Like if we look at the coefficient of y, here the coefficient of y is positive 1, here the coefficient of y is minus 1. So same coefficient, opposite sign. If you find any difficulty in understanding that which method, either elimination or substitution, is suitable for the solution of the problem, you have to watch the previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box. So I hope same coefficient, opposite signs, we can add up the equations, and elimination method is suitable. So what we have to do, we just have to add up these two equations, and the question will take the form. I have to mark the sign of addition here, and now I can remove this y with this y, and my equation is in one variable only, that is x. 2x equals to, I have to add up 138 and 88. So when I'm adding up 138 and 88, my answer is 226. Now, in order to get value of x, what I have to do, I have to shift this 2 to other side. This will give me 226 divided by 2, and that will give me 113. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are and 2 threes are, and x equals to 113, and block the answer. This is one of the numbers. Now what we have to do, we have to take any one of the equations and we have to find the other number. So what I'm going to do now is replace x equals to 113 in equation 1. So equation will take the form x plus y equals to 138. X has the value 13. 113 plus y equals to 138. Shift 113 to other side, and the question will take the form y equals to 113 minus 113. So take away 138 minus 113, and this will give me y equals to 25. In order to check whether the answers are correct or not, if I'm adding up 113 and 25, my answer comes 138. That is the sum of two numbers, and when I'm taking away 113 minus 25, answer is 88. So it means my numbers are correct. So the two numbers are 113 and 25. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. And the question says, the difference between the two numbers is 10 and this sum is 4 times the smaller number. Find the two numbers. The difference between the two numbers is 10 and this sum is 4 times the smaller number. Here it's important to understand that difference which is given to us is the positive difference. So we have to choose that two numbers are x and y, and we have to decide that which number is bigger number and which number is smaller number. When I'm writing x minus y, it means that x is the bigger number and y is the smaller number. So first of all, we have to suppose that the two numbers are, let the two numbers are x and y, and x is the larger number or y is the smaller number. Smaller number. Now according to condition, what will be the equation that I can form? The difference between two numbers, that is x minus y, equals to 10, and their sum means that x plus y is equal to 4 times the smaller number, because we are supposing y the smaller number. Now we are making two equations with the help of the information which is given in the question. Now what we have to do, we have to solve these two equations either by elimination method or by substitution method. If from equation 2 I'm shifting 4y to this side, my equation will take the form x plus 4y, x minus 4y plus y minus 4y plus y equals to 0, or x minus 3y equals to 0, and let it be equation 3. Now what we have to do, we have to solve equation 1 and 3. Now when I'm solving equation 1, that is x minus y equals to 10 and x minus 3y equals to 0, we can observe that x has the same coefficient with same sign. So what I will be doing, I will be changing the sign of the second equation, or I'll be subtracting these two equations, and my question will take the form like this. Now we can see that we can cancel this x easily, and I will left with 2y equals to 10, and y will be equal to 10 divided by 2, and y will be equal to 5. Now after getting value of y, we have to find the value of x as well. So replace this value of y in equation 1. So x minus y equals to 10 and y has the value 5, minus 5 equals to 10. Shift this 5 to other side. So x will be equal to 10 plus 5. So x will be equal to 15. These are the two numbers whose difference is 10 and their sum is equal to 4 times the smaller number. If we want to check our answer, we can see that if I'm replacing x by 15 and y by 10, y by 5, my answer is 10. So my answer is correct. So the unknowns of this question are x equals to 15 and y equals to 5. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to question number 3 of the exercise. Question 3 says a belt and a wallet costs $42, while 7 belts and 4 wallets cost $213. Find the cost of each item. Let the cost of one belt be $X and cost of one wallet be $Y. Then according to condition, a belt and a wallet, that means X plus Y equals to 42, and 7 belts means 7X plus 4Y equals to 213. Now let me mark it with equation 1, and this is equation 2. It's the time to decide by which method we are going to solve this question. If we look at the coefficients of x, they're not same, and coefficients of y are not same. So either I can go with elimination method, but I will be preferring this substitution method here. So from equation 1, what we can do, y equals to 42 minus x, and what we have to do with this value of y, we have to replace this value of y in the second equation, that is 7x plus 4y equals to 213. Now instead of y, I have to replace 4 times 42 minus x equals to 213. Apply distributive property carefully, that multiply this 4 with every term inside the bracket, and equation will take the form 7x plus 4 times 42 is 8 and 16, 168. But let me confirm it, 168 and minus 4x equals to 213. Now we can see that 7x and 4x are the like terms, so we can solve them together, and they will give me 7x minus 4x equals to 213 minus 168. And when I'm taking away 168 from 213, I will left with 45. So 45, and 7 minus 4 will be 3x. Now in order to get value of x, I have to shift this 3 to other side, that is 45 by 3, and 45 divided by 3 will give me x equals to 15. And let me block the answer. And if we look at the supposition that x is the cost of one belt, that means the cost of one belt is $15. In order to get value of y, the cost of one wallet, I have to choose this expression, that an equation y equals to 42 minus x, and y equals to 42 minus 15. Take away 15 from 42, and that will be 42 minus 15 will be 27. Y equals to 27. Now let me add up 27. Let me add up 27 and 15. 7 and 5, 12. Yes, this is 42. So the cost of one belt is, cost of one belt is $X, and $15 is the value, and cost of one wallet will be equals to $Y, which is $27. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's move to the next question. And the next question says that 8 kg of potatoes and 5 kg of carrots cost $28, whereas 2 kg of potatoes and 3 kg of carrots cost $11.20. Find the cost of 1 kg of each item. 1 kg of each item. So what we have to do, we have to suppose, let the cost of 1 kg of potatoes, let the cost of 1 kg, the cost of 1 kg potatoes equals to $X, and 1 kg of carrots, the cost of 1 kg of carrots equals to $Y. Then according to condition, question will take the form 8 kg 8x plus 5y equals to 28, and 2x and 3y plus 3y equals to 11.20. Now what we have to do, we have to think about the method for the solution of this problem. If we look at the coefficient of x, here the coefficient of x is 8, but here the coefficient of x is 2, and for y the coefficients are 5 and 3. So we have to if we are applying the elimination method, we have to go for the balancing of the coefficients. So I'm going to balance the coefficient of x. So what I will be doing, I will be multiplying equation 2 by 4. Equation 2 will take the form 8x plus 12y equals to 11.2 multiplied by 4, and that will give me 44.8. Now what I have to do, I have to solve, this is the new equation, I have to solve equation 1 and 3 together. And when I'm solving equation 1, now I have to write equation 1 here, 8x plus 5y equals to 28.0. Now same coefficients and same sign, recall the previous lesson that change the sign of second equation, and when I'm changing the sign of second equation, the question will take the form 8x and minus 8x. I can cancel this x term and I will left with y only, and 12 minus 5 is 7y equals to 44.8 minus 28. 44.8 minus 28, this will give me 16.8. Now for the rest of the solution, let me move to this side of the page. Okay, and in order to get value of y, what we have to do, we have to shift this 7 to other side. So y will be equal to 16.8 upon 7, and when I'm dividing 16.8 by 7, y will have the value 2.4. Y will have the value 2.4. Now what I have to do with this value of y, I have to replace this value of y in any one of the equations, and I will be preferring equation 1, that 8x plus 5y equals to 28. And now instead of y, 8x plus 5 times 2.4 equals to 28, and 5 multiplied by 2.4, 5 multiplied by 2.4 will give me 12. 8x equals plus 12 equals to 28. Shift 12 to other side. 8x equals to 28 minus 12 minus 28. 8x is equal to 16. 8x is equal to 16, and I have to shift this 8 to other side. X equals to 16 by 8, which is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. X equals to 2, and if we recall the supposition of question, that cost of 1 kg of potatoes, so cost of 1 kg of potatoes is x, and that is $2, and cost of 1 kg of carrots is y equals to 2.4. I hope you are clear about this lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.